Howdy, thanks for joining us on BWC Publishing Channel. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to make some homemade potato chips. You need a baked potato. You can peel it if you want to. You don't have to, I guess. Be sure it's washed real good. You need some virgin olive oil to dip them in. Salt, whoops, a little salt. Any kind of spice you want. I like garlic, so I'm going to use some garlic powder. So you need to peel this. You don't have to peel this if you don't want to. It's not the easiest thing in the world to do. So. There's part of it anyway. So now what we're going to do is cut it. You want to cut this in 1/8 inch pieces, so real small pieces. That way they'll chip up. Cut it down right about like that. Just like that. Okay, cut them up into little small pieces, 1/8 of an inch thick, no thicker. Don't cut your fingers. There's a few right there. We may cut some more. Then, as this is the first time, we may not cut many more just to see how they do. Now what we're going to do is take our olive oil, like so. Put a little bit down in here. Once I get it open, it's a new bottle, so there we go. Pour a little bit down in our baggie. Like so. Drop your chips down in there. Get them coated. You can seal it up and just shake them around if you want to. There we go. I think we're ready. Okay, you can see we've got a cookie sheet out here. We've lined it with aluminum foil. We're going to place our chips on the foil now. Take them out of the baggie. They got oil on them, remember, so just lay them out here. Kind of slick, so be careful with them. There we go. Okay. Let me wash my hands off. What we're going to do now is salt them. Put as much salt as you want on them. Okay. Now use whatever kind of spices you like. Personally, I like garlic, so I'm going to put some of this garlic powder on them. Alright, now we've preheated our oven to 425. We're going to put them in the oven, bake them for 15 minutes, flip them over, bake the other side for 15 minutes. Okay, let's go. Put them in the oven. Set your timer for 15 minutes. And let it go. Alright, time to turn them over. The real thin ones might be cooked a little bit long. Let's see how we did. Okay, let's see. Turn them over. Pretty brown on this side. Some of the edges might be a little burned. Alright, I think let's salt this side a little bit. Put them back in. I think this time we're only going to go about 10 minutes. So let's see what we can do here. Alright. Give it about 10 minutes here. Start. There we go. Okay, timer's gone off. Let's take them out now. They are hot, so be careful. Woo! There they are. They just need to cool off. Might have got them a little bit long, but they'll cool off and we'll see how they do. Okay, let it cool. Okay, they're cooled down pretty good. I think I'm going to try one of them, see how it is. So let's try this. That's pretty good, you know? Yeah, I like that. Not bad for a first try. May have to try these again, see if I can get a little better at it. Okay, we'll have more things coming here soon. Y'all stay with us. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.